Hello friends, in this video I will show how to disable auto download on video in Telegram. Open Telegram. Now here click on this menu. Then here click on settings. Now in this list you have to find out. Now here guys you will see the option automatic media download. Select in private chat. Make it off. So make it off and save it in groups. Then save it and in channels, photo files and videos. You can turn off these all options and also you can turn off only particular videos in these all three options. So this is the way guys you can disable auto download on video in Telegram. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.